In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your voice on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off open up App Store and then just search for voice changer. Just like that. That will show you a bunch of different voice changers apps. You can download and use any of them. I'll show you how to work with that one that is already installed on my device. So I'm just gonna hit Add Open, and that's where you can record your voice. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Just like that. And after that you will be able to change one of these effects or filters to your original voice. You can hit Add Play to listen your original sound. If you like this video, and then you can change it to helium, for example.
If you like this video, hit the like button and don't.
And in the same way you can try any of that effects, how they sound, and once you find one you like the most, you should tap at three dots and then hit on save, and that will save your audio with the effect to your device. So to find that file, you should open up Files app, then go to On My iPhone, and in Voice Changer folder that will be automatically created, you can find the file that's actually MP3 file with your voice. You can tap on it to listen it. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.